Dongguan Omeng Houseware Products Company Limited is a high-tech enterprise integrating development, production, and sales. Established in 2017, Omeng has realized automatic and semi-automatic production. Omeng has been committed to the research and development and production of high-end plastic products, such as lunchbox, water bottle, kids dinner set, electric lunchbox, insulated soup jar, etc. We are constantly innovating, and the products have obtained about 300 patents in many countries around the world. Omeng's business philosophy is people-oriented, and it only makes tableware that mothers can rest assured. Omeng's product can pass international food-grade test. Through years of accumulation, the company has successfully become a service provider of high-end supply chains in Europe, America, the Middle East, and Australia by virtue of better product quality, larger scale and high-efficiency production capacity, rapid response. Our associated factory in Shaoguan was successfully relocated and has been operational since February 2025. We welcome all customers to place orders with confidence. We guarantee the shortest delivery times and provide high-quality service. Choosing our products not only guarantees high-quality goods, but also helps you gain more market share and profits. Also, we want to invite you to come to our South Africa in September, Canton Fair in October, Poland in November, and September Saudi Arabia exhibition. Before you come to our Shaoguan, Dongguan, Thailand factory manufacturing place. If you have any suggestions for us, please feel free to contact us. We are glad to receive your suggestions, cooperate with you, and bring you satisfied products.